Hi, welcome to EasyTechProgrammer's YouTube channels. In this video, I will teach you arithmetic operators. Before I gonna start with arithmetic operators, let's look at with my in this comment lines. There are when you give a single line comment, so you can use double slash, and when you give a multiple comment, okay, so multi-line comment, so you can start slash stars and star slash, okay. So there are five arithmetic operators, that's multiply, divide, addition, subtractions, and modulus. For multiplication we have to use asterisk, divide for use to slash, and for addition you have to use plus, subtraction you have to use minus, and modulus you have to use modulo operators. Okay, so we will use this in programs and we will understand it. Okay, so for that we have to write a code, and every code will be start with a main function. So we write here main, and so this multiply operator is what is does it's multiply two numbers, divide for it's divide two numbers, addition it addition two number three number, for subtraction it subtract two number three numbers, and modulus it's also modules two numbers. Okay, so we need some integer variables. Okay, so we take two integer variables. Okay, int a is one variables, int b is another variables, and we take input from users. Okay, so we learned the for taking input from users we have to use scanf. Before that we give a message to user, printf enter two numbers. Okay, enter two numbers and take this input, scanf take this input in parts. For this for taking this input you have to use percentage d, as it is the integer, so we have to use percentage d, and we have to store the value in the address of a. So for address a, ampersand a, and comma address of b, b, and for terminating we have to use semicolons. It will take the input and put the input in the address of a and address of b. Now we have to perform additions. Okay, so for addition we have to add it equal to a plus b. So what I do, a plus b, so no need this, we can just printf and write here percent d, and percentage d plus percent d is percent d. What I do here, let's check. For I want to print that in this way, that a plus b equal to a plus b. Okay, so for that I here percentage d for a, percentage for b, and percent d for result. Okay, so here a, then b, then a plus b. Okay, and then terminate this semicolons, and let's check out this working or not. Okay, build and run. Okay, it's give a message, enter two numbers, so I give here 2 and 4, and it gave result 2 plus 4 is 6. So in this way we can perform subtractions and multiplications also. So I just copy it, paste it, paste. Okay, now what I do here, I do here minus for subtractions, and here for multiplication we use here asterisk sign, and for divisions we have to use slash, and for modulus we will use module operators. Okay, and let's print it. So build and run. Okay, we will give the first number as 6 and second number as 4. So 6 plus 4 is 10, 6 minus 4 is 2, 6 6 and multiply by 4 is 24, 6 divided by 4 6 module 4 is 1 and 6 module d is 4. Why is this? This is for, let's look at this in 6 module. Okay, from let's run it again, build and run. This output is giving 7 here and 3. So let's 7 plus 3 is 10, 7 plus 3 is 4 and 7 multiplied by 3 is 21, 7 divided by 3 is 2 and 7 module d, y percentage d is 3, y percentage d, look at here, sorry, here is the another percentage, so it's don't take this percentage. So what you have to do here, another percentage d, and it will build and run successfully. Okay, so 7 and 3. So look at here, 7 plus 3 is 10, 7 minus 3 is 4, 7 multiplied by 3 is 21, 7 divided by 3 is 22 and 7 modulo 3 is 1. When you want to displace module operator, so this module operator is actually with percent d, so this percentage is not working, this percentage is not displaying. So what you have to do, you have to give another percentage 2 with it. So for that, this percentage and this percentage will minimize and it will give the percentage in display. Okay, so for this video it's enough, and we will see in the next video with relational operator, equality operator, logical operators, etc. Okay, like, share and comment. If you don't understand anything, please comment, I will reply, I will understand you. Okay, if there will be required to upload another video, I will also upload another video. For this you have to understand and you have to make a programmer, right? So like and subscribe and press the bell icons. When we upload a video, you got a notifications. Okay, thank you.